Welcome back, dear students. In this module, we will discuss the topic HCF and LCM. But before that, we'll discuss what is factor. What is factor? Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. So first question is list all the factors of 12. We know that factors are the numbers which can divide the given number. So we are to find out all the numbers which can divide 12. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And in the same way, the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And now after listing the factors, let's find the common factors. So common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. Means these numbers are present in factor list of both the numbers. And 4 is the number which is highest among these common factors. So 4 is called greatest common factor, means HCF of 12 and 16. And now we'll use prime factorization method to find HCF of 12 and 18. Prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. And prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now common factors are 2 and 3. So product is 6. And this is called HCF of 12 and 18. Now let's learn to use long division method to find HCF of the numbers. The numbers are 18 and 30. So divide 30 by 18 and the remainder will be 12. Now divide the first divisor by the first remainder. That is divide 18 by 12 and now the new remainder will be 6. Divide the second divisor by the second remainder. It means when we divide 12 by 6, we get remainder 0. And now at this stage, the highest common factor is 6. Means this divisor will become the highest common factor. And now let's discuss the divisibility rules. Why do we use these divisibility rules? If we don't want to divide such a big number, so we can use these divisibility rules to check that whether those numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, etc. or not. So let's first check the divisibility rule of 2. If in a number the digit at one's place is even or is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Like here 246, where the one's digit is 6, it is divisible by 2. 864, last digit is 4, which is divisible by 2. So the whole number is divisible by 2. Now to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, like here 32,064, for this we are to add all the digits and the sum of the digits should be multiple of 3. Here the sum is 15, so number is divisible by 3. Now divisibility by 4. For this, last two digits should be divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. In this, last digit should be 0 or 5. Divisibility by 6. For this, we are to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number will be divisible by 6. For divisibility rule of 9, the sum of the digits in a number should be multiple of 9. And for 10, the number should end at 0.